We're doing it on Omega. Episode 368, Part 1. Tri-bridage versus ELDLICH DOGMATIKA. And I didn't draw good there. Set Karis and I think that was an imperm. Yeah. Black Awakening. I was about to ash it, but I let it go. Probably should have ashed it. Just gonna set 4 on the revolt. I end is gonna Scarlet ash that one. Switch to attack, destroy, banish the black to set Conquistador. Just drawing nothing. Conquistador here, but surprisingly did not. Oh wait, it's face up, right? Yeah. Okay, I was like, how come he didn't destroy it? Because it has to be face up. Link Spider. For Earth Charmer. I imperm that. ELDLICH sending the Dogmatika punishment. I strike that. Battle, destroy, banish to set. Normal summon kit. Yeah, activate Scarlet, special summon ELDLICH and defense, and then a Conquistador because an ELDLICH face up. I get to pop a face up. Kit. Dump Nerval, and I Fractal. I've already normal summoned, so I just dumped more tri-brigades in there. Set the double revolt. Earth Charmer. Alright, it's gonna take the Nightmare Phoenix. Nightmare Phoenix, discard Torrential Tribute to pop the revolt. Might as well activate it. Channeling 1, channeling 2, channeling 3. Banish the Golden Lord and then for access code. Dang. What was that? Banishing the earth to destroy the trap. Okay. Banishing the fire to get rid of Shureg. ELDLICH. Send to the grave, add back to hands, push summon a zombie, gains 1000 attack. And and right here. Interesting ending for this one. Decided in some lightning storms, some triple twin twister. Well, heart of the cards, come on. And there goes the 2 Nerval. And one. Jeez. Okay. 10 key. Fractal. Fractal. Send kit. Kit. Send another fractal. Home summon Nerval. Banishing 2 for Farajit. Farajit. Special kit. Osu for Bearbrum. Nerval. And Farajit. Farajit's gonna draw and put back. Nerval's gonna add Karis. I should have just saved this one. Should have saved it for a Zeus play. Kit. Banish 2 for double Dragon Lords. should have saved the barrage. Barrage pop the 10 key special summon Durblade. Those 3 for Apple, Bearbrum, draw the Revolt and put back Kit. Put to the bottom, set the Lightning Storm so I could bluff. I should have just kept the Lightning Storm. A Dear Servant. Sending Entis, grabbing Ecclesia. Entis is gonna pop, but I negate with Apo, decreasing its attack by 800. Ecclesia is gonna special summon, decrease attack, negate. Normal summon, decrease attack, negate. Battle. Should've just. If he goes back to the hand, he's gonna get the fleur-de-lis. Revolt, those 4. Chirag. Chilling 1, Chilling 2 did not activate Kid. I don't want to dump anymore. Banish. And he's gonna set 5 aggro. I thought I was gonna be able to do access code and at least pop 4. I have 4 different attributes of Link monsters. Access code. He's going to, since he can't torrential tribute on his summon, he's gonna summon Aquero, then torrential tribute. Sudak Barrage. Ratpier. Horrible. He's gonna go for the Zeus, any punishment. With Entis, then Entis. It's gonna pop the Lightning Storm. Get banishing 4 for another Shureg. Shureg. Oh, another torrential tribute. Come on. But I got to banish the trap trick. And then Shureg's effect. It's gonna add. I was able to special summon Kurez, but I saved it. It's gonna draw an end. Oh. Banish to set. Ooh. Some Fractal. I don't have any more Shuregs. I only have 2 in this deck. It's gonna Scarlet. I'm gonna Ash that. Got a Rugal. Battle. Imperial Order. Ooh. Lord, send strike to pop that face down. Activate it anyways, and then activate Rugal's effect. Get back Karis. Banishes the Scarlet to set the Conquistador. To send the Conquistador to the grave to add back Eldritch. Gains 1,000. This cannot be destroyed by card effects. My card effects. Till the end of his turn. He misclicked there. He was supposed to attack. He lagged and misclicked, he said. Pot of Desires. I should have desired right here. Should have desired right here. Oh, wait a minute. If I desired, I'm dead. What the fuck? I should have kept these guys on board. I should have kept them on board. Yeah, so I could have did that. I was gonna do the Ash regardless. I would have had nothing in my deck and I would have won. Look, yeah, I would have won if I kept one monster. Ash me. It was like, wow, what an end. Yeah. All Doom Eagle's gonna... Is he even in there? No. Fractal. And I draw. I was still able to activate, but I lose because I can't draw cards. He does have a deck. 368 Keemo. 368. Let's check the rank. 511 before. Come on. Go online. Oh my god, come on. What is it, not online? Just lagging. It's online. We were at 11 or 1511, 1497. What was that again? 368. Yeah, right here. Double Dragoon. What? Triple Dragoon. What? Okay. Still at 188. Comment, share. I'll give you sub if you liked it. See you guys.